Hello everyone. So today's topic is write a C program just to print the day of that particular week. Like normally we have days like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, likewise. So in this program, and it is obviously using switch case. So here in this program, we are going to ask user that you enter the day number. Okay, which means if I enter 1, okay, so it will display Monday. If I enter 2, it will display what? Tuesday. Likewise 7 for Sunday. Okay, so user has to enter only number between 1 to 7 only. Okay, so here is the program for that. Two header files, that is hash include stdio.h and hash include conio.h. After that, void main function, open the bracket, and only one variable required for this program, because we are asking user that you enter the day number. That's it. Okay, so only for that purpose we require one variable. So in the next line, using the printf statement, we are asking user that you enter the day number, and then scanf %d ampersand number. Okay, so for example, user has entered here 3. For example only I am saying. So obviously, as per our logic, like 1 is for Monday or 2 is for Tuesday. So obviously 3 means what? Wednesday. But here is the logic part, that is using the switch case. So switch, and then inside the bracket name of this variable, that is nothing but what? Number. So right now, as per our assumption, the value of number is 3, which means switch of 3. So it will jump to case number 3 directly, because of the value of number is what? 3. So in case 3, what we have is printf Wednesday. It will print this thing as it is only, and then break means what? Immediately after this you come out from this switch case. So come out from switch case means directly here get ch, and then close the bracket. Okay, but for example here, if you have entered instead of 3 7, okay, so it will come here. Then switch off 7. So obviously it will jump to case number what? 7. And what is case number 7? Printf Sunday and what? Break. So obviously it will print Sunday and immediately it will what? Break. And for example, instead of number from 1 to 7, if you are entering some other numbers like 10. Okay. So obviously here switch off 10. So case 1 false, case 2 false, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all are false. So by default it will jump to your default case. So in default case, what we are writing is invalid input. Please enter the number, week number between what? 1 to 7. And then get ch and close the bracket. So here we have the sample output, like enter the day number, and if it is 3, it will print what? Wednesday. Okay. So thank you all.